Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the salty world of salt. Salt is a mineral that makes our food taste better. We even need a little bit of salt to stay healthy. But have you ever thought about how salt gets to your table? It's a fascinating journey. Salt is made of two elements, sodium and chlorine. When they combine, they make tiny crystals that we know as salt. Without salt, our food would be bland and our bodies wouldn't function properly. So, let's find out how we get this important mineral. Salt comes from two main places, underground mines and seawater. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, there are massive deposits of salt, remnants of ancient seas that dried up millions of years ago. We can also harvest salt from seawater, using the power of the sun. Both methods give us the salt we need, but the journey from its source to your plate is full of exciting steps. Let's explore how each method works. Salt mining is like digging for treasure, but instead of gold, we find delicious salt crystals. Miners use giant machines to cut through layers of rock deep underground until they reach the salt deposits. These deposits can be huge, like giant underground caves filled with salt. The mined salt is then crushed and transported to factories for processing. It's amazing to think that the salt we sprinkle on our food was once buried deep within the earth. Making sea salt is like a giant science experiment using evaporation. Large, shallow ponds called salt pans are filled with seawater. Then, the sun does its work. The sun's heat makes the water evaporate, leaving behind the salt. As the water evaporates, the salt concentration increases and salt crystals begin to form. These crystals are then collected, washed, and dried. Sea salt often has a coarser texture and a slightly different taste than mined salt. Section 5. Factory fresh, making salt pure. Whether it's mined or harvested from the sea, raw salt needs a little spa treatment in a factory. The salt is first crushed and ground to different sizes, from fine table salt to coarser varieties. Then comes the most crucial step, purification. The salt is dissolved in water, and impurities like dirt or other minerals are removed. The clean salt water is then heated, and the water evaporates, leaving behind pure, sparkling salt crystals. Section 6. Packing salt for your table. Now that our salt is squeaky clean, it's time to pack it up. The salt crystals are packaged into different sizes, from small shakers to large bags. Some salt is also iodized, which means iodine is added. Iodine is an important nutrient that helps keep our thyroid gland healthy. Finally, the packaged salt is loaded onto trucks and shipped to stores near you. It's a long journey, but it ensures that we have fresh, clean salt ready to use in our kitchens. Section 7. Salty facts. Fun with NaCl. Did you know that the chemical name for salt is sodium chloride or NaCl? It's true. Here are some other fun facts about salt. Salt has been used to preserve food for thousands of years. The Dead Sea is so salty because water flows in, but it can't flow out. The water evaporates, leaving behind a high concentration of salt. Salt is used to make many products, like glass, paper, and even soap. Salt is more than just a seasoning. It's a fascinating mineral with a long and exciting history. Section 8. Salt's journey. Factory to table. After its factory adventure, salt travels in trucks or trains to reach our local grocery stores. From there, we get to pick our favorite types of salt, from iodized to sea salt or even flavored salts. We use this salt to enhance the flavor of our meals, bake delicious treats, and even preserve food, just like people did centuries ago. Section 9. Salt. A sprinkle of science every day. So, the next time you sprinkle a pinch of salt on your food, remember its incredible journey. From ancient seabeds and sparkling salt pans to high-tech factories and finally, your dinner plate, salt's journey is a testament to the wonders of science and the ingenuity of humans. Every grain of salt tells a story of natural processes, human innovation, and the simple joy of delicious food. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep those taste buds tingling with the science of salt.